Every car on your showroom floor represents capital. Someone paid for it before it sold, usually your floor plan financier. Every dealership relies on it. Most still manage it with spreadsheets and manual follow-ups. Floor plan financing is a short-term credit line that lets dealers stock inventory without tying up their own cash. You draw down from the facility for each vehicle. The car sits on the floor plan until sold. Then you repay the drawdown plus accrued interest. It's the engine that keeps the showroom running. Here's where it gets messy. Most floor plan financing is still tracked in a spreadsheet, updated by hand. Across hundreds of units, the admin adds up fast. There are 3 real costs. Time, 5 to 10 hours a week reconciling positions with the financier. Errors, missed payments, duplicated entries, surprise interest charges. Blindness sales managers can't see which units are still under financing, which delays title transfers and costs money. Most dealers don't notice this drag. They've never seen it any other way. A better version comes down to one thing: a single, connected view of your financed stock. This is where XStar comes in. Every drawdown logged automatically. Interest calculated live. Settlement triggered the moment a car sells. Your finance team sees the true cost of each unit. Floor plan financing will always be part of running a dealership. What's changing is how much manual work sits around it. Visit xstar.sg today to accelerate your auto financing journey.